You can?
Really? Yellow, you can't see the yellow tub on the top of the cooler, that's yellow. Who it is on the barbecue?
The barbecue?
It's the yellow can, the far can on the cooler, the right yellow can on the cooler.
That's not a can.
Well, it's a
Tupperware
Tupperware
it's a
thing.
bowl.
Whatever.
Wow, can is a can, bowl is a bowl. I'd have shot for the fucking can.
Really, you think that thing would fit in the can? They can aim for it?
Huh? Muff?
Can you reach him or let me get him?
Watch the boom boom. Watch the boom boom.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on it so we can get a good close up of the birdie going. He's probably gonna flip upside down. You are gonna aim for it?
Sure, if you want me to.
Yep. Finish it off.
Yeah, so I want to see the boom boom.
And I want to get on the road. Mosquitoes and we can find shit moving around now.
Okay.
Because you're sighted in.
So what am I shooting for?
Okay, the yellow Tupperware can, whatever, on the right of on the cooler.
All right, that's easy.
Should be.
Do you have like a more specific part of that can you want me to hit, or just
I think
in
if you
general?
hit the can, I think you're gonna be good.
If you hit the can.
All right, fair enough.
Swan is still.
Woohoo! Yeah, I'd say you're pretty much zeroed in.
Yeah, I'd
The
say
cooler
so.
is foobar, but the swan is still standing.
That is
Should
awesome.
Put it right inside the swan.
Good shooting, Tex. We're
Yeah,
done with
it's
this shit.
sighted in because that was.
Yeah, there was no mistake in that one.
Okay, Schwan. What are you looking at, Schwan?
See if you can hit, hey, I'll tell you what. See if you can knock the beak off.
Okay.
Like
No, the head.
Okay.
Well, you can't. The beak. So aim for like the black and the white, you know, right on his beak where it starts. Maybe you can take the tip off. Okay, now aim for the head.
I think I gave him a new eyeball. I don't know.
Try aiming for the head.
I
Or the
put it
beak.
right on the top of the black
On the
beak.
Okay, try it again. See. Let's see how close this is. Because if you could get that, yeah, it's zeroed in. Then let's pack up and go.
Yeah, we better. We're gonna be deep shit.
I'm getting eaten up too. You hit it. Doesn't it look like it split off?
It looked like it got wider. Yeah, the bottom got wider.
Yeah. I just double tapped him.
I think it's there. I think you got it.
You got one more, or are you done?
Yeah, I got one more.
You got one more?
Yeah.
Okay, do one more.
I'm gonna go a little high on the neck this time.
Hard to tell.
Go check it out.
Yep. Get out of here before we get eaten alive.